Let us have a look at the impact of tax deduction policy on Indian pharma research and development growth. As per a recent report published by Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance, the Indian pharma industry is aspiring to grow to $120 to $130 billion by 2030. But it is subject to innovation by creating a research ecosystem and make India a life sciences innovation hub. Let us have a look at the research and development expenditure of Indian pharma in comparison to global pharma industry. R&D investments in India were 5.3% in 2012, which increased to 8.5% in 2018. And if we look at global R&D spending, it was averaging 20% from the year 2010 to 2017. Now, let us see what happened 2010 onwards in the Indian context. The government increased the weighted deduction of up to 200% on in-house research and development expenses. This was a good news for the Indian pharma industry as 200% weighted tax deduction was provided for any capital and revenue expenditure incurred on in-house R&D by a company. But in the year 2016-17, government decreased R&D tax breaks, which disappointed life sciences industry. It came down to 150% from the financial year 17-18 to financial year 19-20 and further down to 100% for the financial year 2021. So, the most important question here to ask is why tax deduction of R&D is so important. In pharma, the risky nature of drug discovery keeps venture capital and private equity firms disinterested. Actually, out of 10,000 compounds in drug discovery phase, only one gets FDA approval. So, Indian companies rely more on tax incentives, grants, and soft loans from the government. To summarize, for making India to be a success, we have to focus on innovation, and the tax rebates on R&D can motivate pharma sector to do more research and innovations. Do you think these rebates are important for the growth of R&D in pharma sector? Share your opinion in comments below.